And here's our satellite radar imagery of Elsa. I want to show you we are now, I think, just minutes away from that landfall near Horseshoe Bay. So that's what we're looking at. The track again is going to take it north and a little bit northwest across Georgia, and then again toward the Carolinas and up the Atlantic coast all the way to the northeast. So this is going to impact a lot of beaches across the United States anywhere between today and Saturday and even Sunday. So we'll have to keep a close eye on that. If you know anyone headed that way or you're headed to a beach vacation, keep a close eye on the forecast for Tropical Storm Elsa. Looking at our region, we do have a few storms that have developed just south of Cincinnati. There is a weakening trend to these storms, but looking at the Miami Valley, we are clear with a lot of sunshine for now. Our storm chances are going to increase later on this afternoon and evening. We have high pressure now off to our south and southeast, and when it's positioned there, we get a lot of moisture coming up into the Miami Valley in addition to heat, so our storm chances are increasing. There's a higher risk of severe weather closer to those frontal boundaries just to our north. However, the Storm Prediction Center has just updated their severe weather outlook to include the Miami Valley. Areas north of I-70 are now included in that marginal risk of severe weather. Here's the latest look at future track, where storms likely to develop just to our north around 2 o'clock, and then we'll see scattered activity across the region through 7 o'clock and even into the later evening hours. There is going to be some weakening overnight, but a shower or even a storm is still possible. We see the activity continuing again, especially Thursday late afternoon and evening as a cold front starts to move through. I think the cold front will be impacting Dayton around 7, 8 o'clock tomorrow. And behind that front, we are going to cool off a bit. Temperatures heading into the weekend will be in the lower 80s. Right now it's 73 in Troy, 74 in Dayton at 8:49 this morning. A look at your hour-by-hour forecast this afternoon. Again, storms developing by 2 o'clock. We will see scattered activity with a high today around 89 degrees. So it's still hot and humid out there. 70 degrees your low tonight. 84 degrees tomorrow. That's going to be ahead of the front, behind the front. Hey, look at that, 80 degrees your high on Friday. We do see some dry time on Friday before we see more rain and thunderstorms increasing. Again, heading into the weekend, this will impact any plans you may have, including the Dayton Air Show. So we'll have to keep a close eye on that forecast. High temperatures over the weekend will be in the lower 80s. So we are going to stay a bit below normal, which is 86 degrees for this time of year. Download the Storm Team 2 weather app.